How to fix apps misbehaving in iPhone. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to fix this problem, then simply open your settings. In settings, here you can see the option general. Now click on general and then click on iPhone storage. After clicking on iPhone storage, then scroll down and open your app like CapCut and then click on offload. After offload your app, then reinstall app. After reinstall this app, your problem will be fixed. The another way to fix this problem is go back to your home screen and then press and hold on a app and then click on remove app and then click on delete app. After delete this app, then reinstall it. Your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.